Hello students, so welcome back to another video. Welcome to AJ classes. तो आज हम find करने वाले the hybridization of CH4 and it is very easy to calculate and find the hybridization of CH4. What we have to calculate? The hybridization of CH4. And in the CH4 we know one carbon atom is surrounded by 4 hydrogen atoms. Okay, in this case one carbon atom is surrounded by 4 hydrogen atoms. The atomic number of carbon is 6 and its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2, and its outermost shell means in the 2s shell there are 4 electrons present, and it's the valence shell. There are 4 electrons present in the valence shell, and here there are 4 bonds formed. There are 2 methods to find the hybridization of CH4. First method, in CH4 the number of bonding electron or the number of a bond pair. Bond pair means how many bonds are formed in between the molecules. Here in CH4 there are 4 bond pair or bonds are formed in CH4. So the bond pair is equal to 4 and the number of lone pair. The number of lone pair is equal to 0. As we know, there are 4 electrons, valence electrons present in carbon, and all the 4 electrons bonded with 4 hydrogen atoms. So the lone pair is equal to 0. And the sum of bond pairs and lone pair is equal to 4. And if this is 4, the hybridization is sp3 hybridization. And here a table how to know if there is 4. This is sp3. There is a table. If the number, the summation will be 2. This is sp hybridization. How it will be 2? You remember s1 p1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. If this summation is 3, this is sp2 hybridization. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. If the summation is 4, is equal to sp3 hybridization. 3 plus 1 4, and in the way similarly if there is 5, this is sp3d and 6 sp3d2. You have to remember all these values. Okay, and this is one method to how to calculate the hybridization. The hybridization of CH4 is sp3, and another way is, you know, the carbon 6 electron and the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, and here we can write it as helium 2s2 and 2p2. If we create the electronic configuration, you know, S have 1 cell and P have 3 cells, and in the S there are 2 electrons present, and the P there is 2 electrons also present. In this case, there for here we have to remember one thing: the number of bond is equal to number of bond is equal to number of lone pair. This is important to find the hybridization. Whenever we have to find the hybridization, first of all we have to create the number of lone pairs to which the number of bond to be formed. This means what? I have a CH4. The atom is CH4. We have to create 4 bonds. So we have to create 4 lone pairs in carbon atom, so that 4 hydrogen will be atom to there. Always remember that the number of bond to be formed we have to create same number of lone pair in the central atom. And here we need 4 lone pair, but here only 2 lone pairs are present. So in this case the excitation will be takes place. If the excitation takes place, the one electron from 2s will be transferred to 2p, and the next step one electron is transferred. So there are 4 valency lone pair electrons are present in carbon now, and in this all the 4 electrons, 4 hydrogen atoms will be bonded, and this will form CH4. And in this case 1 s orbital and 3 p orbitals intermixes. So the hybridization is 1s and 3p and sp3. Hence the hybridization of CH4 is sp3 hybridization. सो अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक कीजिए, चैनल पर नहीं तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिए। थैंक यू।